Hi, this is Kit Welchlin, and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on time management, and the question is, why do I feel overwhelmed? Kit, I tell you, I'm connected literally and figuratively. My smartphone is always with me and it's on. Combine this with all of the nonstop changes at work, I'm starting to feel kind of grumpy, kind of grouchy, and overwhelmed. Why do I feel overwhelmed? In this fast-paced world, it is common for us to feel overwhelmed. Given the impact that technology has had on our accessibility, it's difficult to be unavailable. Being connected all the time is exhausting, and I don't believe the pace of change is slowing down. With smartphones, email, text messages, social media, and now even our wristwatches, it has become increasingly difficult to disconnect. The key is to be discerning. Consider the positive and negative aspects of each technology and social media platforms, and how involved do you really want to be. Control interruptions and set boundaries in your personal and professional schedule by scheduling small blocks of quiet time for reflecting, thinking, decision-making, reading, and relationship building without the interruptions from technology. Time management is the key to balance, and balance is critical to our emotional and physical well-being. Take some time to take the control back in your personal and professional life. Determine the right things for you to do and limit the less important and less fulfilling activities. It's your life, so enjoy it without feeling guilt. Finally, invest time nurturing your friendships. There is a direct, positive relationship between maintaining friendships and maintaining well-being. Identify your most positive friendships, put them on a list, thoughtfully consider and prioritize the time and activities you can enjoy with them. I see. I will make some adjustments in my behavior and my life. I will start by shutting off my smartphone at different times of the day. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And maybe even in the evening. And I'll say no to some activities and just mail a check instead. Then I might have time available to maintain my relationships with friends and family face to face. Thank you for watching this video blog on time management. And the question was, why do I feel overwhelmed? Minor changes in our priorities will have a major impact on our activities. Just stop for a few minutes a day and remind yourself about what really matters and choose to spend time on that. If you or members of your organization are struggling with time management, contact me at kit@welchlin.com and I will provide a presentation packed with time management strategies that work.